In this video, I will show you how to make anyone Joker, or you can turn anyone into a Joker using the digital makeup in Adobe Photoshop. Coming up. Hi everyone, I am Harshvardhan. Welcome to harshvardhanart.com. In this special video, I will show you how you can create the Joker movie effect, or you can turn anyone into a Joker using the digital makeup in Adobe Photoshop. And before we go any further, please hit the like button, otherwise you will forget that, and leave something in the comments. Your likes and your comments motivates me to make more and more free videos for you guys. And don't forget to share this video. So having said that, let's get started. So we'll take this image. You can literally take any image. You can take your own image as well. And then we'll take a new blank layer by clicking on this little icon. And then we'll change its layer blend mode to, let's say, overlay. And then we'll choose the white color from this foreground color. Press OK. We'll choose the softest brush. And then we'll paint on the face to make it white. So you have to paint number of times if you are using the pen tablet to make it completely white or somewhat white. Alright, paint on the eyes as well. You can make the size of the brush smaller with left bracket, and you can increase the size by pressing the right bracket. Alright, as you can see, we have made it whiter, and now it's time to put the digital makeup on this like Joker. So we'll create another blank layer, and this time we'll choose the red color, or let's say green color, for in this movie we have seen it. So we'll pick the green color. So let's take dark green, dark green color. Okay, and then we'll change its layer blend mode to overlay once again, and we'll zoom in, and we need to make some diamond like shapes. It would be around something like this. So let me first change it to the default brush. Let's go for the hard one, and let's make it something like this, and let's change its layer blend mode to multiply. Alright, multiply is looking good, and then we need to paint it. So you don't have to be precise, you can just go for something like this, because this was drawn with the hand, so it has not, or it should not be that perfect. So we just need to create some diamond shapes on both eyes. Alright, so something like this is just fine. And now we'll create a new blank layer, and this time we are going to paint on the lips. So for that purpose we need a red color, something like this, and again we'll change its layer blend mode to multiply, and then we'll create the lips something like this. So we'll click and paint, but this one is way too dark, so let's change the color to something like this. Yes, and paint. Right, and now we need to paint on the nose. So let's paint on the nose and make it look something like this. Alright, so now this one is looking much better, and let's check this out once again. So it is little bit more on the lips. So if you want, you can drag it even further on this side. Okay, and then we need to paint the eyebrows with the red color. So we'll paint the eyebrows over here. Okay, and since this is not looking that white, so we'll just copy the bottom layer which we have painted on the face, and we'll press Ctrl J, Command J to have a duplicate copy of that. And you can see now this one is more white, and we can just try to, let's change its layer blend mode. Let's go for the normal one and reduce its opacity, maybe something like this, or let's try overlay. Alright, overlay is just fine, and you can see the color is spilling out on this side, on both the sides of around nose and cheeks, or ears and cheeks. So we'll just select both of these and press Ctrl G and create a mask, and then with the black color and the softest brush we are going to paint over this area so that it doesn't become that white, or the white color which is spilled out. So we can just remove that and press X to bring something back, because that would switch the color to the white, and when we will paint with white it's going to reveal. Alright, you can literally spend a little bit more time on this. And now what we'll do, we'll give it a color grading, something like that, something like Joker movie, and I have already included that tutorial. If you have not watched that, please go ahead and watch that video. And that is very simple. All you have to do, come to the adjustment layers, click on the selective adjustment layer and change the channel to, let's say, black first, and let's add the green to the image, and let's take out the magenta and yellow. Let's add a little bit more yellow and the black color, and let's work on the neutral, and in the neutral we can add a little bit more green, and let's work with the yellow. We can add a little bit more yellow, and we can make it darker to something like this. And let's go for the red one. Let's make it little less bright or more bright, and we can adjust all of these. I've explained in detail in that tutorial how to color grade like Joker movie. So if you have not watched that, please go ahead and watch that. I have put the link of that in the description section below, or you will find that in the card itself, or this I button on the screen. Alright, so this one is just looking fine with color grading, and you can see this is before color grading and this is after we have applied the color grading. And now let's change the color of the coat to red so that it matches with the rest of the scene. So for this purpose, we'll take the hue and saturation adjustment layer and we'll click on the top hue option, or we can click on this hand and pick a sample of this color. So now it's going to affect only this color, and if we drag it, you can see it's affecting mostly this color. So now we have got the red color. We can expand our selection from these settings, so we can just expand it so that it includes more of that color. And then let's choose a vibrant red color, maybe this one. Increase the saturation and the lightness if you want, or we can press colorize, and then let's add red color. Alright, it's not working, so let's go for this one. Alright, and you can see it is affecting other areas as well, but don't worry, we'll press Ctrl I, Command I to invert the selection, so that would hide it completely. Now we'll choose the brush tool and softest brush with the 0% hardness, and with the white color we're going to paint on the coat, so that would make it red. And if you made a mistake, press X and that would turn it to black color, and then you can paint over the area which you want to remove. Alright, and this is how it looks. And now if you want more of this, we can just press Ctrl J, Command J to have a duplicate copy of it, or what we can do, we can create a new blank layer and change this layer blend mode to color and choose the red color, and then we can paint on the coat to make it more vibrant red. Alright, and we can press X on our keyboard to make it black, and then we can you have to make your brush very small to paint over these smaller areas. Alright, it looks like this. Now we need to make a selection, quick selection, so we'll choose the magic wand tool from here and paint over the coat. So it's going to select only the coat, and then we will click on the mask icon, so that way it's going to keep only that area. So now you can see it has made the selection and kept only this area, and there is a problem over this side, we have spilled it. So we'll choose the brush tool with the black color and we'll paint on the collar to remove this red color. Alright, so now this one is looking just fine. Just a minute, and if you want to make it little darker, create a new curves adjustment, and let me just adjust it. Alright, so I can make it little darker, something like this, so that it looks good. Alright, now this one is looking much better. You can see this is before and this is after. So let me select all these layers, press Ctrl G, Command G to group them together, and now let me show you the full screen how it looks. So this is our final result. This is the before and this is after. So we have turned this image into a Joker. So this is how you can turn any image into Joker movie, or you can digitally make up anyone into a Joker. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. If you did, hit the like button. If you did not like the video, hit the dislike button. If you have any question or if you want to say something, leave that in the comment section below. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please consider subscribing and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out my new videos. So thank you so much. Bye bye. See you in the next episode. Till then, keep shooting and unleash the creative in you. Bye bye.